What does your company do?
So we are so we are actually a web-based visualization platform, but we build a lot of connections between China and here in the United States.
Okay.
We have a lot of collaborators with the Chinese government, universities in China, as well as large corporations in China, and we help them like host conferences, like P2P kind of visualization kind of talks, and connect expertise and kind of venture capitalists as well as kind of VC connections across the board.
I'd actually like to talk to you guys about, just exactly that. I do 360 photography and video, so I'm recording 4K 360 videos so that people can attend virtually.
Wow, really?
So that, this will all get loaded up onto Facebook and YouTube. It's 4K 360 videos, so they see everything around.
Wow.
So that, like when I'm recording panels and stuff, you can see the speaker, you can see the presentation board, you can see the interaction between the speaker and the audience.
That's amazing. So, like, I see there are two cameras.
Yeah, each one records 180 degrees.
Wow.
I started off with a bubble cam. Using this one last year, and then this came out. Samsung presented it last May. At the Samsung Developers Conference, and then it's been available in South Korea since June, and in the U.S. since August. And I've currently got two of them. I've got the second one here. I've been recharging one while recharging the battery on one while I'm recording with the other.
I was very curious when you were next door.
Yeah.
So you look like a pirate.
Well, the thing is that because I'm doing 360 photography, there's no blind spots. It sees everything. So this is part of the trademarking of what I do is I promote virtual presence and mobile virtual reality. Because the VR headsets that I've got here, I import these from Shenzhen, China.
Wow.
And they're standalone VR headsets where I can view 360 content or attend a conference or a convention virtually from literally anywhere in the world. All the 360 video you can download off the web onto this, and then you can watch it anywhere.
Wow.
This is all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and these are very affordable. The desktop VR systems, are like $1,600, $1,800, fixed location, and very expensive, very complicated, and it's basically in one place. Something like the Gear VR that I've got on my head uses a $700 cell phone. But the thing is that the batteries don't last that long, and after about 20 minutes they overheat and they stop working. These things here will run continuously for, I've rented for 12 hours straight. Streaming, off of, streaming No Man's Sky off of, the PS4. So this works on PC, Mac game console, or just on its own. And most people don't realize that the standalone systems like this exist. And so that a lot of what I do is show that, with virtual presence and virtual tourism, setting up cameras like this in all of the conferences and stuff, at different meetings and stuff, so that people can virtually watch, all the stuff that's going on.
So there are people watching your videos right now?
I'm not live streaming at the moment. This is all recording, but it can be live streamed. If you plug it directly into a computer, then the computer, runs connects to the internet, for doing live streams. So that people can attend virtually, and you can look around and see everyone that's there. It's not just what the camera happens to be focused on.
There's a very famous Chinese science fiction writer. He once wrote a story called Eyes.
Okay.
It's a very sad story. So he was kind of describing this kind of future that you have those kind of 360 cameras that you can rent and ask people to take those eyes to some places that you want to go but you can't go.
Right.
And in the meanwhile, they're going to be your eyes, watching everything.
I was at the Robo Business Expo yesterday and the day before, and in the Pitchfire event, there was a guy who was starting up a program where you can rent a drone that has cameras and stuff on it, so that you can virtually teleport to different locations where the drones are based around the world. And you've got local support systems in each location that'll run the drones, monitor them, do the power and stuff. But people can log into them remotely from anywhere in the world, and you can be in Hong Kong in one moment, and New York in the next, and London in the next, and Dubai the next. So that you can virtually teleport yourself anywhere. And then using a headset like this, you can literally be anywhere. Watching this. All you need is, like a Wi-Fi connection, like Starbucks and McDonald's or home or office. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello. Good. Hello. I'm Roy from thenewsbubble.com. I'm covering the convention in 360 spherical photography so that people can attend virtually. I was wondering if you'd like to tell my audience about your product.
Oh, so somebody's watching me.
It's not live stream, but this will be on the web and people can watch it.
So somebody will watch me.
From now on. Yeah.
Somebody will watch me from
Yes.
here. Okay. Cool. So is that on?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're making a smart air purifier for person, right? Air purifier.
Yeah.
It's all about the big box sitting in the corner, trying to clean the whole room. It doesn't work because it creates a lot of noise and causes a lot of electricity. But the thing is, if you're sitting here, how can you make sure you're breathing the clean air? You don't know. So we are reinventing the industry, which is that we're creating this small air purifier and purifier only the space of the personal space, just like that. Right? So if you're sitting in the office with 50 other people, and you cannot clean the whole office, but you can clean your own space in half a minute. So through our testing, UC Berkeley, we actually proved that within half a minute, you can improve the air quality in your breathing zone for 60%. That's huge. That is a lot of improvement. And it's super quiet. You don't even hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this available currently?
Not yet. So we're going to start selling next February.
Okay.
Yeah.
About how much are you expecting them to be?
So the first product, because it's made in US, designed in Silicon Valley, made in Silicon Valley. So we are charging $299 for the first product. But after that, we expect to go back to Asia for production. The price will be reduced.
Right. Okay. Fantastic. Where can people go to get more information?
Yes. You have my card? I give you my card. Yes. So springmo.com. It's always there. Springmo.
Hold this up here so my audience can see.